Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install MariaDB on CentOS 9 Stream. First, to install the MariaDB server, you need to create a MariaDB repository configuration file. Use the following command. Once it is created, you need to add the following configurations to that file. Then, save and exit the file. Next, run the following command. Then, you will be presented with a series of prompts. Here's what you'll be asked and how to respond. Once the installation is complete, you can verify the version of the MariaDB server by using the following command. Now, enable MariaDB to start automatically upon system boot. Start the MariaDB and verify the status using the following commands. You can secure your MariaDB installation by following these steps. Start the MariaDB shell. Change the root user's password. Remove anonymous users. Disallow remote root login. This ensures that the root user can only log in from the local host. Remove the test database. Reload the privileges to apply the changes. Exit the MariaDB shell. To log into the MariaDB server, enter the following command with the password that was set previously. You can see the following output. Let's create a new database with a custom user and password. After logging in as a root user, type the following commands.